Today I will show you what is included in the Cubelets Intermediate Maker Kit. Students will have the opportunity to use their imagination by exploring robotics and coding through building robots with the Cubelets blocks. This kit is designed for 1 to 3 students working on one challenge card at a time. Pay attention to the sequence number on the challenge cards at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges build upon one another. There's also a curiosity guide included with instructions on how to get started and explanations of all of the contents. This kit comes with the Cubelet Curiosity Set with 10 robot blocks and some accessories that connect magnetically. There are 3 different types of robot blocks. Think, which is bluish, red, and green, providing the power and passes the information and also inverts the information. The Sense block is black and it detects distance and brightness. The Act blocks are clear, they provide light, drive or movement, and they also rotate. The battery block will need to be charged with the micro USB cable. The Bluetooth hat allows you to pair the robot constructions with the device for even more features. The 2 brick adapters allow you to add style and expand building capabilities with Legos. To create a robot, simply magnetically connect faces of the Think, Sense, and Act blocks. Blocks can be connected in a variety of ways to create a variety of robots. To operate a robot that has been constructed or to test out a construction, turn on the power switch. Ready to take the Cubelet blocks to the next level? Attach the Bluetooth hat and connect the battery Cubelet to your device through the Cubelets console. This feature will allow you to enable remote control and add new Cubelet behaviors using Blockly coding. When you are finished creating, return all of their blocks to their proper locations and don't forget to return the USB charging cable. Please place the Curiosity Guide and challenge cards back in the plastic envelope. Reach out to your EdTech with any questions, and don't forget to check out our Maker Kit website. Thank you.